everyone. Happy Saturday. It's Saturday today and I have started my day pretty early, but right now I'm actually filling up my baby's swimming pool because he's gonna be getting in there again. He's right here. Huh, baby? Are you gonna get in your pool? You wanna get in your pool? Say hi. Who's that boy? Who's that baby? Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute, huh? Say hi. Say hi, everybody. My baby. Why are you so shy? Tell them hi, baby. Give mommy a kiss. Oh no, are you shy? Why are you shy? Are you gonna get in the water? Yeah? You wanna get in your pool? See or no? Un besito, mamá. Oh, he loves to touch my thing right here that I have, which I actually want to get removed hopefully soon or one day, huh baby? Huh? But yeah, I'm filling up his pool right now because I actually did invite over my sister-in-law so my nephew can go in the pool with Dominic. Huh baby? And it's not too hot today and it's not too cold, so hopefully it's all right for them to get in there. But yeah, so here's my sectional. I actually need to add the cushions and the pillows and stuff, and I already actually swept out here so it's nice and clean for them. And there is the pool. I'm actually filling it up right now. I'm probably gonna just leave it like this of water, that way we can actually turn on the alligator and then they can, you know, get wet with the alligator. So yeah, I actually did open our patio cover here and it's just so nice that, you know, we can open it and get some air. But yeah, there goes Lola. Lola, go to your house. Come on. Come on, go to your house. Say hi. Alright guys, so I just finished putting the cushions and the pillows on my sectional, and it's all nice and clean and ready for the boys to get in the pool right there. So we're just gonna wait for Diego and my sister-in-law to get here, that way they can go in there. And we do have a little nice breeze right now, which is nice. That way they're not too hot when they get in there. Huh, baby? What are you drinking? Dominic? No. You want to go in there? Yeah, you're going to go in there right now with Diego, okay? You want to get in there with Diego? Yeah? Okay, he's on his way, okay, baby? So remember, guys, that I had to ship back the cover for the sectional. I actually ordered another one, which should work because I'm just gonna move, you know, just kind of move it around when I'm ready to just cover it up, because obviously I'm not gonna find the exact size for this sectional, like the cover. So I'm just gonna move it around once it does get here and once I do want to cover it. But that one actually should fit. We actually measured and we did order one, so hopefully that one does fit. So I will show you guys that one once we do get it. And I also ordered Dominic some swimming shoes That way if he gets, because yesterday when he was actually in there, he actually did like come out and just walk around and stuff, and then went back inside the pool. So that way he has those, and you know, his feet are not just with no shoes or anything. So yeah, I ordered some, so I will show you guys that once I do get them. Oh, baby. You crazy hair boy. Yes. Yes. Look, you're all full of ketchup. Huh? You were eating egg with ketchup? And strawberries? Huh, baby? Yeah. Are you ready to go in the pool, baby? You look so cute. Yes, in your little underwear. His little short shorts. Your little short shorts, huh, baby? We're just waiting on Diego to come. Come on. Come here. Come here. You look so cute. So my mom made pinga yesterday, and I'm about to eat a tostada, and I like to prepare mine with lettuce, crema, and cheese. So yeah, guys, I'm about to eat my tostada. Dominic, are you ready to go inside the pool? Yeah, baby? Are you ready, baby? Diego's ready, huh, Diego?
Diego's ready.
You're all set. You're set to go in. Oh, Diego. Diego, para allá no, vente. Para acá. Go in the pool. Go, Diego. Yeah? You want to go inside with Dominic? Look, Dominic's ready. Are you ready, baby? Time to get in the pool. First one in the water, Diego.
Waiting for
Dominic. Diego. I know, Dominic, go in the water, baby. Dominic, go in the water. You're not gonna wanna go in the water? You're not gonna wanna get in? Oi, te habla. Go in the water. Go in there. Yeah, there you go. Now you get inside. Go inside, baby. Go in there, baby. Diego's having all the fun, and you're not gonna have no fun, okay?
Métete. Métete, Diego. Tú, Dominic. Ay, no,
Dominic. Oh yeah. Maybe wet it a little bit because it's probably like dry. Baby, why aren't you going inside? Go in the water, baby. Finally got Dominic to go inside. Oh, baby. You were pooped. That's why you didn't want to go inside. So I changed his diaper and now he's good.
Siéntense pues a jugar en la agüita. Te vayas a caer.
Yay, Diego!
Be careful, Diego. Let's splash the Dominic.
Splash, splash. Yay!
Ahora tú, Dominic.
Dominic, splash.
Splash the water.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, yay! Good job, Diego. You wanna go on the slide, Dominic?
Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3, yay!
Bravo.
Good job, Diego. I was like, yay, Dominic. Why are you mad? Why are you mad? You go on the slide. Go on the slide, Dominic.
Vea la resolución. A ver, si nomás a él le están llamando la...
Go, Diego, go. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Go!
I feel comfortable.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yay! Good job, Diego.
Ay, ay, ay. No cierra la boca, Que Lázaro se echó un trago. Porque todavía no sabía cómo.
Yeah.
También Dominic ayer estaba tomando agua.
Yeah. How, Dominic? Oh, pues con razón no se quería meter al agua, ¿ya?
No andaba con caca, haber dicho, pues, ¿cómo voy a
Yeah, ¿cómo?
llena de caca?
Se va a poner a chocolate.
Fíjate tan chiquillo, ¿cómo piensa? ¿Cómo
Mm,
sabe?
yeah.
Piensa aquí. Wanna go on the slide?
Go on the slide, Dominic. Are you cold, Diego?
¿Te cambio, Diego?
Oh.
¿La pelota? Allá está la pelota. Amigo, quiere frío. Estás en el sol, está caliente.
Dominic, come here.
Está bien caliente.
¿Te cambió ya? ¿Ya no quieres andar? Yo creo que ya tiene frío, ya está temblando. Arre, caballo. Agárrate de ahí del... No te vayas a soltar, Dominic, ¿eh? Desde Dominic. Toma, Diego, acá está.
Yay.
Arre, caballo que va para Zaguayo. Arre, burrito que va para el cerrito. Arre, caballito. Arre, caballito. Arre, caballo.
Arre caballo que va para
Arre, caballito.
Uy.
Ay, sí, ya está llorando. Lola está encerrada. Ándale. ¡Uy!
Watch out.
Arre, caballo. ¿Ya no? ¿Ya no quieres caballo?
Dominic. Look, baby. Need to have breakfast. Say hi, baby. Turn around. Dominic. Baby. Dominic. Turn around, Mama. Look over here. Who's that there? Why are you mad? I got some al tacos. And then this is Dominic. And my husband got Baba. You ready to eat, baby? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. This one has chili. Yes, Dominic. What is that, baby? You got the water? He's like, heck nah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You don't want to get wet, Dominic? Now you don't like the water? Hi, Dominic. We're gonna just go home. There's my little baby in the back. Say hi, baby. No? Why? Say hi. Say hi, baby. Why are you screaming? Say hi to them. Un besito. Un besito. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, you're not cute. Okay, you're not cute. Hey guys, so we are about to head out actually to probably the mall. My husband wants to look for some shoes. And yeah, we have just been here at the house. I actually did take a shower, so my hair is all wet, but I just did a braid. That way it's not all crazy and puffy. But yeah, we will see you guys there. And there's my little one who's just playing. What are you playing with, Bubba? Say hi. You crazy hair baby. No, you stand it up like this, mira. Like this. Like that, okay? Now you can take it. But yeah, that's what we are doing, guys. So I will take you guys with us. And yeah, I did change. I just put a long sleeve black shirt. And I am wearing my Tory Burch sandals with my Eva clutch from Louis Vuitton. To Build-A-Bear right there. Dominic, do you see the bear? He's happy. Who's that? The bear? Say bye, bear. Say bye-bye. Yeah, it's a bear. Say bye, bear.